Hi, my name is Bob Iaccino. I am the Chief Market Strategist and Co-Portfolio Manager at Path Trading Partners, as well as the co-host of the Futures Edge podcast. And I wanted to give you a trader tip today that covered some of the fundamentals rather than actual technicals of hands-on trading. And that is an analysis of the Consumer Price Index, the CPI. Everybody looks at the CPI release as to whether inflation is positive or negative. And lately, we've been hearing a lot of talk about inflation peaking. Now, the headline CPI number for July, year over year, came in at up 8.5%. Last month was up 9.1%. Many people thought that was inflation peaking. But it's important to remember that the Consumer Price Index is just that. It's an index. And the 0% month over month on the headline showed no growth in inflation, not falling inflation. And the core inflation actually rose month over month by 0.3%. That's actually rising core inflation, just rising at a slower rate. So be very careful about looking at inflation as a monthly change or a yearly change being peak inflation or falling inflation rather than just an adjustment of this month's reading of the index versus last month's or this year's versus last year's. I'm Bob Iaccino. That is your trading tip.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.